Hi, it's Haley with East West Essentials, and I'd like to talk to you about our Optimal Male Energy. This product came about with a lot of our male clients that were working very hard, very long hours. We're starting to have a little bit of maybe midsection weight gain, low libido, not a lot of mental clarity. It's an amino acid, vitamin, and herbal complex that is designed to enhance male vitality. It really stimulates brain and cognition. It elevates libido, and many of our clients that travel, that are working very hard and find themselves exhausted, really enjoy this product. Our clients, from athletes to businessmen, love this product. The Male Energy is a supplement that seems to really enhance vitality. Our Male Multi is an extremely potent amino acid, vitamin, herbal, and mineral nutrient that helps enhance men's health. It's got support for cardiovascular, prostate, healthy lipid levels, good brain, and wonderful muscle development in the men.